Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It is a powerful feeling that can change the way your brain works. When you practice gratitude regularly, it helps improve your mental and physical health. First, gratitude activates the part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex. This area controls emotions and decision-making. When you feel grateful, this part becomes more active, helping you feel happier and more positive. It also helps reduce stress and anxiety. Second, gratitude increases the release of dopamine and serotonin. These are chemicals in the brain that make you feel good. Dopamine is known as the reward chemical, and serotonin helps improve your mood. When you think about things you are thankful for, your brain produces more of these chemicals, making you feel calm and joyful. Third, gratitude strengthens the connection between different parts of the brain. This connection helps you focus better and improves your memory. People who practice gratitude often find it easier to concentrate and remember good experiences. Next, gratitude reduces activity in the amygdala. The amygdala is the part of the brain that controls fear and anger. When gratitude lowers its activity, you feel less negative emotions like anger or fear. This helps you stay calm during difficult situations. Finally, practicing gratitude can change your brain over time. Studies show that people who regularly express gratitude have stronger brain areas related to empathy and kindness. This means they become more caring and understanding towards others. In summary, gratitude changes your brain by making you happier, calmer, and more focused. It releases good chemicals, reduces stress, and helps you connect better with others. The more you practice gratitude, the more your brain will grow in positive ways. Try to think of 3 things you are thankful for every day. Write them down or say them out loud. This simple habit can slowly change your brain and improve your life.